Hey y'all, today I'm going to be unboxing the GAEA box, a monthly box of 6 sample size products from KNI Beauty Bath. This isn't a subscription box, it opens up for pre-orders at the end of every month and each month has a new theme. And this month's theme is Welcome to the Jungle, so let's get started. When you first open the box, you'll see this little info card with all of the products included in that month's box. You also get a little cutout sheet with an exclusive code for 18% off any of the full-size listings when they go live. And they're live right now. You can buy the full-size products of all of these that I'm about to show you today on the website. And don't forget to use my code linked in the description for 15% off. The first product in the box are these bug-themed nail vinyls inspired by the Lion King called Pumbaa's Feast. In this box you only get sample sizes, so you get 4, but if you order the full size you'll get 12. Up next is this vegan dual-use lip and cuticle balm called Pear Necessities. It straight up smells exactly like pears, so if you like pears you'll love this. And the full size tube is 3 times the size of this sample. It's absolutely huge. Up next is the cuticle oil pen, and this month's scent is Monkey Farts. It's described as a fun, fruity explosion of pineapple, coconut, and melon with a hint of banana and sweet vanilla on the bottom. And the full size comes in this 15 milliliter glass bottle. I have so many of these, it's not even funny. But I think I need to pick up a bottle of this one too because it smells that good. Next is the Glitter Up Cuticle Guard, and this month's scent is Amazon Mist. It's described as a moist fragrance of fresh dew alive with hints of flower gardens, exotic herbs, green grass, raindrops, and light earthy tones. And it really does smell very grassy, if that makes sense. And now I'm showing you what the sample size bottle looks like next to the full size bottle so you can see how much bigger it is, since you can only buy the full sizes of these products right now. This product and the cuticle oil are by far my favorite products that she makes. I can't do my nails without either of them anymore, and I have backups upon backups. Next is this month's glitter called You Tarzan, Me Jane. It is inspired by the movie Tarzan, obviously, and this mix consists of multiple ultra-fine glitters. The brown and holographic rust orange glitters represent that glorious tan that Tarzan himself rocks. The holographic gold and a touch of soft lavender glitters represent Jane's yellow dress and lavender accent her belt and necktie have. The full size comes in a 3-gram pot and is the perfect size for nail burnishing or other fun crafts. Last but not least is this month's vegan sugar scrub called Mowgli's Jungle. The scent is Bamboo Cypress, which is described as a fresh and earthy fragrance that has notes of citrus, orange, and lemon, along with crisp green bamboo. Mild notes of rose, cedar, and clove harmoniously dance on a base of oriental spice, patchouli, and ylang-ylang. Definitely not perfumey. This is a rich, heady, musky scent. This scrub is perfect to use on cuticles, hands, elbows, and even feet. Pamper yourself. That's right, treat yourself. I usually hate anything florally or even patchouli, but this smells so good to me, and I think it's because of the citrus kind of overpowers, and the bamboo gives it a nice green smell. Here I'm showing you what the sample size jar looks like next to the full size. You can tell that you get so much in the full size, and you can buy a full size jar of this right now. I just love her attention to detail. You even get these cute little wooden scoops, and the full size comes with a bigger one. So that's it, that's everything you get in the box. Now I'm going to show you how I use them in a nail art tutorial.
Somebody to love in my life. Don't lie, I've been G5. I don't want diamonds or rubies. I don't want houses or land. Give me the money to fly on the G5. I don't want no diamonds.
And that's it. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to be picking any of these products up. I know I sure am. As always, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!